Hey everyone, welcome to my room at the Hilton Mystic. Now before I let you inside, we have to break the seal of the Clean Stay by Hilton. This is how they're making sure your room is extra clean, safe, and sanitized for your stay. So let's head inside. Woo. So this weekend I'm staying in a standard room with 2 double beds. And what's great about what Hilton is doing right now because of COVID is you can see throughout your room how they cleaned and kept things sanitized just for you and your visit. Every room has a television, a desk, but don't do any work because you're on vacation, and a refrigerator, coffee, and a microwave. But I think it's time to check out the rest of the property, so let's go. So besides just cleaning the room, this is another way the Hilton is making sure that you're staying up to code with COVID requirements with wearing your mask and keeping your social distancing. As you wait 6 feet behind the plexiglass to check in, there's plenty of space throughout the hotel to make sure you keep your social distance, even in the fully equipped gym. I'm downstairs for some local Mystic flair at Irons Bar and Restaurant. So let's go grab a bite. Open for indoor and outdoor dining. If you like vodka like I do, I would suggest starting your evening with an iron teeny. Cheers. Delish. As per Chef Jamie Hence's recommendation, the braised short rib and their new shrimp and scallop scampi. Irons is also a great stop for breakfast. And right across the street from the Hilton is the Mystic Aquarium, which is ready and open for you to come visit with their own precautions they're taking to make sure you feel safe during your visit. Social distancing reminders are throughout the aquarium, as you get to see all the marine mammals, even some that might stop by to say hello. The Hilton Mystic is a quick 10-minute drive from the seaport, which is great for shopping, dining, and so much more. Take a break from walking the seaport at their indoor pool that is extra kid-friendly because they have swim-up movies in the evening. Now that you see how hotels are taking their precautions to make sure you feel safe and comfortable again, get out there and travel. For more information on this Hilton property, be sure to click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.